What's up, guys? Today I'm about to be doing a unboxing video of a Series 5 Apple Watch. I got this from Amazon and it literally took not even 24 hours to get here after I ordered it. So definitely it was fast. But I got the 44 millimeter Apple Watch. I really wanted the big one. I thought it was gonna be too big, but it was like perfect. And I got the gold aluminum with the pink wristband. But yeah. When I first opened it, I immediately noticed the packaging. Like, the packaging was fire. Like, I'm not even about to lie. I'm not even about to cap. Like, I was like, dang, like Apple, they really out here doing it. Like, I got the Series 3. The Series 3 was my first watch, and it was like a little slide out box. Like, it was plain. It was like dull. But now um they upgraded their packaging, and it just came with this wristband, the pink one. I am about to buy. I really want a white one, so I'm gonna buy a white one. But yeah, the box it came, it was really nice packaging. And when you open it up, the watch comes in this little like fabric holder. It's like pink. It's really cute. Like, and when I first opened it, I was like, oh, it's like the perfect size. I really thought it was about to be too big because, people are like, the girls should get like a smaller wristband or a smaller watch. But I was like, nah, I want the big one. So I just got the big one. And it's really nice. Yeah, I'm just gonna set that to the side. It came with the manual. Of course, like all of them come with the manual of how to work it if you don't know how to work it, which is really easy. Um, and then it comes with, of course, the charger, like a brand new charger, and then the wall block for the charger. I have like 10 Apple wall blocks, like for real. And then the watch band is really cool because it comes with like one longer one, and then it comes with like a shorter one. So if you have like a bigger wrist, you can use the long one, and then if you have like a smaller wrist, you use the short one. So, and if you buy one of these, if you buy an Apple brand, I usually buy the off brands from Amazon. If you buy the Apple brand, it's like $50, $49. And I was just like, yeah, it's too much, but at least they give you two wristbands. It was really easy to put the watch bands in the watch. Like, you hear a little click once they're like secured. And now I'm just putting it on. Like, it's the best part. I was really satisfied because I thought it was about to be too big, like the watch. I was like, oh my god, like what if it's too, because I had a 38 millimeter, this is a 44, so that's a big jump. This cost me $3.49. They're on sale right now, like online on Amazon and Walmart.com, but I bought it because it's $100 off right now, and I really wanted a new watch, like the 38. The Series 3, it's alright, but like the Series 5 is better. And once you turn it on, I thought something was wrong with it because the little apple was like dull, but then once it turned all the way on, it was like bright. Yeah, overall, I was really happy with what I got. Definitely, I would recommend buying this. It's $100 off right now, and it looks so slick. Like I'm about to buy some more watch bands, but like overall, it's really nice. Like I really fuck with it. So, but yeah, that's it. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Like, comment, subscribe, and I'm out.